If you own a Toyota, you've probably seen Meso Customs products before. They make a lot of those small upgrades that you might not necessarily think about when you're building your vehicle, but once you have them, you wonder how you lived without them. Today, we're going to take a quick look at who Meso Customs is, some of the products they offer, and a few of the upgrades we have right here on the table. A lot of these are pretty small modifications, but they can make a surprisingly big difference in the way you use and interact with your Toyota every day. And the best part is, all of these Meso Customs products are available right here at Yota Xpedition. So let's start with one of the easiest upgrades, the interior lights. Meso offers an upgraded dome, map, and courtesy lights. One of the biggest improvements here is the amount of light they put out compared to the factory bulbs. If you ever tried to find something in your vehicle at night with the factory interior lights, you know they can leave a lot to be desired. Meso is significantly brighter, so they actually illuminate the interior of your vehicle instead of just giving you a little bit of light. But one of the coolest features is that you can also switch them over to red. So you can have that bright white light when you actually need to see inside the vehicle, and then switch to red when you want something that's a little less harsh. This is especially useful if you're using your vehicle at night or camping and don't want to completely destroy your night vision every time you open your door. And this is a good example of what Meso really does well. It's a simple upgrade, but it adds functionality without making the interior look like you've installed some aftermarket universal lights. Another thing Meso offers is upgraded key fobs. These are a pretty simple way to change up the look of something you interact with every single time you drive your vehicle. Instead of having the same basic factory key fob, Meso offers different designs and finishes that give you a more custom look. It's a small detail, but if you're already putting time and money into customizing your Toyota, it's a nice way to carry that customization into something you're constantly carrying around with you. And here at Yota Xpedition, we take it a step further by offering exclusive topography designs on Meso key fobs, giving you something you won't find in the standard lineup. And that same idea carries over to some of their interior overlays. Meso offers other items like interior door handle overlays, steering wheel trim, and center console trim. And just like the key fob, Yota Xpedition exclusively offers topography designs on interior door handle overlays and steering wheel trim, giving those high-touch areas a really unique custom feel. These types of products are especially nice for someone who wants to personalize their Toyota, but doesn't necessarily want to tear the entire interior apart. Another really simple upgrade is the red start button. It's a small detail, but it's one of those things that can completely change the look of the area around your ignition. And because it's such a simple change, it's an easy way to add a little bit of personality to the interior without going overboard. And then we have one of my favorite examples of Meso taking something that Toyota did and making it better. This is the steering wheel volume fix kit. On some Toyota platforms, the volume control on the steering wheel is orientated in a way that doesn't feel natural. Instead of adjusting the volume up and down, you're moving the control left and right. Meso's volume fix kit changes that so the volume adjustment works the way you naturally expect it to, up for volume up and down for volume down. It's such a small thing, but it's one of those changes where once you use it, the factory setup just feels wrong. And that's really what I like about a lot of the Meso products. They're not huge and flashy modifications, they're little things that improve the way you interact with your vehicle. And that's really where Meso Customs fits in the Toyota aftermarket. They're offering products for people who want to customize their vehicle, but also want those upgrades to feel intentional and integrated. You've got lighting upgrades that improve functionality, key fobs and interior overlays that let you customize the appearance, and then you got products like the steering wheel volume fix kit that actually change the way a factory feature works. So there's a pretty wide range of products, but they all have the same idea behind them, taking something Toyota already gave you and making it better. So that's a quick look at Meso Customs and some of the products they offer for Toyota platforms. If you're building a Toyota, you don't always need a huge suspension lift or a new set of wheels and tires to make an improvement. Sometimes it's these small details that make the vehicle nicer to live with every day. We'll have all the links to the Meso Custom products we talked about in this video down below, and they're all available at yotaxpedition.com. And if you want to see more Toyota product overviews and installs, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.